This three-story house, designed by Wahana Architects, creatively embraces its unique pentagon-shaped land in Tangerang, Indonesia. The architectural concept is influenced by Feng Shui principles and the surrounding natural environment, featuring a lush front garden and a serene green space with a small river at the back. The design carefully balances privacy concerns from nearby apartments through innovative laser-cut designs and strategic placement of rooms. The ground floor houses versatile spaces, including a guest bedroom and service areas, while the second floor offers expansive living areas with outdoor seating and scenic views. The private third floor includes a master suite, children's bedrooms, and a family room. This home masterfully combines cultural insights, client preferences, and environmental elements to create a harmonious living space.